He's slow to stop. Officers close the distance, inching forward, watching every movement. Closer, closer to him. The vehicle finally comes to a stop, but the danger isn't over. Commands are shouted again and again. Shut off the car. Shut off the car. The suspect doesn't respond fast enough, and tension fills the air. Turn the car off. Officers spread out, taking cover, weapons trained, eyes locked on the driver. Every second matters. One wrong move could turn this traffic stop into something deadly. Cover! Cover! The door opens, and officers shout clear, direct commands. Drop it! Drop it! From another angle, Bodycam footage shows the same moment from the officer's perspective. The suspect is stalling, moving slowly, refusing to fully comply. Again, commands echo. Shut off the car. The repetition shows the urgency, the need for control before things spiral. Officers stay tight, coordinated, moving as a unit. Suddenly, everything changes. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. The threat is real now. Officers take cover instantly, shouting for the suspect to move away from the weapon. The scene explodes into chaos as shots are fired. The sound is sharp, fast, final. Suspect down. Officers hold their positions, scanning for movement, checking angles, making sure the threat is neutralized. One officer checks on another. Are you okay? You good? Even in the aftermath of gunfire, the priority is safety for officers and everyone around them. From the dashcam view, the moment is just as intense. The vehicle stopped in the roadway. Officers moving in. Then the critical moment, a gun is visible. Shots fired, and the suspect goes down. Radio traffic confirms it. Shooting. Suspect down. The scene slows, but the adrenaline remains. Officers continue calling out directions, securing the area, watching hands, watching the suspect, making sure there's no further danger. Backup units arrive as the situation stabilizes. This footage shows how quickly a routine stop can turn into a life-threatening encounter. Clear commands, teamwork, and split-second decisions are the difference between control and chaos.